Microwaves have come up a long way from being just reheating equipment. They have become an integral part of the cooking experience. With an increasing focus on space utilization and freeing up counter space, a built-in microwave is an obvious addition to the modular kitchens. The sleek built-in microwave, Kieth, is packed with flexible and intelligent features that suit every kitchen style. Let's explore this product. This product has a digital display panel with buttons and knobs to use all functions of microwave. By pushing this button, the door gets opened. You can see stainless steel cavity inside. Kieth has a concealed glass in the bottom and hence it does not have a rotating tray. Cooking function of Kieth Microwave: steam, microwave, combination, micro and grill, defrost. Steam. Steam function is the USP of Kieth Microwave. A special steaming accessory is provided with the oven, which helps you to prepare 8 different recipes from predefined auto menu. Press the steam key, select the functions and select the weight of the recipe to start. Microwave. This is the most used function of microwave. Using this function, you can quickly heat and cook any recipe. This function has 5 label settings for you to select from based on the type of recipe. To select this function, press the microwave key. Based on the recipe, you can then select the power of microwave and the time duration, and then press Start. Combination: micro and grill. This is a unique function given in Kieth. It helps you to use micro and grill functions at same time. The microwave is at 55% and grill is at 45% power. This mode is ideal for roasting and providing brownish texture. Defrost. The defrost function helps you to bring any frozen recipe to normal room temperature. To select this function, press the defrost key, select the weight of the recipe and press Start. Auto menu. The auto menu has preset functions for rice, vegetable, meat, spaghetti, fish and chicken. One can select these recipes by pressing the auto menu and then choosing the settings from A1 to A6. You just need to select the weight of the recipe and the microwave will set the time automatically.